Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This palatial 7,500 square feet villa sits on approximately 27,697 square feet. It is located on Plymouth Way, Kingston 6. It boasts 5 generous bedrooms, all with ensuite bathrooms, an expansive basement, 2-car garage, swimming pool, and landscaped garden. A spacious chef's kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. The kitchen opens up to the dining and living room. There is also helper's quarters, reserve water tank, standby generator, and so much more. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1.83 million or Jamaican $281.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.